Hi everyone, we are going to learn about perforator veins today, and these are veins that connect the superficial to the deep veins at various levels. They travel from the superficial fascia through an opening in the deep fascia before they enter the deep veins. The direction of blood here is from the superficial to the deep veins, and these perforators are guarded by valves so that the flow is unidirectional, that is towards the deep veins. Now there can be a reversal of flow which can be due to incompetence of these perforators, which will lead to varicose veins. Now in this video I'm going to talk about the types of perforator veins and how will you remember them. So first you have to remember the alphabets A, B, C, D, and you go from joint first and then to the muscles. So over here I'll have A, then I'll go to the next joint from the ankle to the knee joint, which is B, then I'll go to the calf, which is C, and in the thigh, D. Alright, now so these alphabets are going to be our guides to remembering the types of perforators. First comes the ankle perforators, and it's very easy to remember because they are near the ankles. Now you take the alphabet which is allocated to the ankle perforators, which is A, and when you flip it or make a mirror image of A, it looks like an M. So that will help you remember me. And if you take the A and flip it like 90 degrees anti-clockwise, it'll turn into a K for Custer. So you can remember the names of ankle perforators, which is May or Custer. Then we come to B. Now you can remember that we put this alphabet near the knee joint, right? So these are below the knee perforators, and the alphabet allocated was B, right? So that is Boyd. So these are below the knee perforators of Boyd, and they're also known as gastrocnemius perforators. Then we come to C, which was in the calf, and it's easy to remember, right? It's calf and C, and these are actually known as the lower leg perforators. And the name is the lower leg perforators of Cocket because of the C, and they are divided into three types actually. Then we come to D, and D is for Dodd, mid-thigh perforators of Dodd. You can remember dude and then go Dodd if you have difficulty remembering. And there's also an extra perforator called as Hunter's perforator in the thigh. So typically I made this mnemonic because we are asked in our exams about perforators, and I thought if I knew all the names I would score extra points for this. So that's why I made the mnemonic. I hope it helps. I'll do a quick revision here. Perforators are the ones which transfer the venous blood from the superficial to the deep veins. There are types of perforators also, indirect and direct. So we have A, B, C, D. Go from joints first and then come for the muscles. Ankle, calf, below the knee, and mid thigh. So it's like A, B, C, D. Then for ankle, you remember the flipping of A looks like a M for May, and rotated anti-clockwise, so it looks like a Custer. So you can remember the month May and I don't know, custard apple or something, but you have to remember Custer and May. And then we have the below the knee for Boyd, and you can go like, oh boy, I've got a varicose vein, so Boyd. And then Cocket for lower leg perforators, and Dodd for mid-type perforators. I hope that helped if you were trying to learn the types of perforators. And stay awesome.